RoboSquad!
Taking care of baby while Papa's away.
Dad's busy today. Help me take care of baby, please.
What?
Oh no!
I can smell something.
Baby don't want to poop here.
Oh no!
Mom, I think baby is hungry. What should I do now? The baby wants milk. Where's baby?
I will help you.
Yes!
Whoa!
Elvin forgot to wash his hands.
Wow. Oh. No! Hey, sorry. Whoa!
Hey kids, remember to wash your hands before eating.
Yes!
Oh no, my teeth run away! Ew!
Oh my God!
Huh? What's going on, Bucky?
Oh. Oh.
Remember, kids, don't forget brush your teeth thoroughly before going to bed.
The bus Santa Claus is sick.
I'm ready. Ho ho.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh. Oh?
Thank you, Mr. Elvin.
Oh.
Wow.
Bye-bye.
Oh. Huh?
Hey, kids, remember to keep your body clean.
The unstable elemental beds.
Ice!
Fire!
Cloud.
Wood!
Welcome to the Dream Bed Contest. You have 10 minutes to be creative. Let's start.
Let's see who can create the prettiest bed.
There is no bed as hot as mine.
My bed is super soft. I'm sure that everyone will love it.
I think my bed can be used well for all 4 seasons.
I will test whose bed is the best and most beautiful.
Hey! I don't think any of our beds are perfect. We have to work together. Bucky, let's try again.
I found the best bed.
Hey, kids. Do you remember the characteristics of the 4 elements?
Mommy, mommy, keep me yummy cake. Being a star is scary. Huh?
Here's a gift for you. This microphone will help you sing better.
Wow! Wow, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much. It's so weird. I feel so jealous of her. Mommy just cares. Wow, she's so beautiful. She sings so good. I love You did a great job. Thank you. Baby Care Rose, let's go play hide and seek. No, now I'm a stop. I don't want to play those games anymore. Hello, everyone. Huh? Baby Cara Rose, let's sing without a mic. Hey, little one, come down the stage.
You got so busy being famous that you forgot your real friends.
Thank you. Baby Rose, let's go play hide and seek. No, I must stop. I don't want to play those games anymore. I understand now. I don't want to be a singer anymore. I just want to play with my friends. I'm sorry, everyone. I wasn't nice.
Hey, kids, always be kind and show respect to everyone.
Share your cake. Huh? Wow. Hey! Wait! Can we have a taste, please? No, I can't share my cake with you. Are you okay?
I'm so hungry. Can I eat your cake? Your cake is so pretty. Can I trade my gold doll?
What should I do now?
Ouch!
Wait!
Oh no! Stop right there, Wolf!
My cake!
Hey, kid!
Thank you. A big cake should be shared with everyone. Sorry, we're friends, so we share.
Hey, kids! A good kid knows how to share with everyone.